Hello! Last video we were talking about our travel kit and we mentioned chamomile. So we talked a little bit about the chamomile tea, and I promise you that we want to do chamomile tincture and chamomile capsule. So the tincture is long enough now, in a dark spot for 6 weeks, and talk about it. And it's infused with alcohol. So what you do after, smells good, smells really like chamomile. It doesn't even smell like alcohol. The other tinctures, they do. So we have to get all the goodies out to make a tincture without the herbs in it. I mean, without the fruits. And as you already know, infuse it, as I said, and leave it for around 6 weeks, even 8 weeks. It doesn't matter. You could even keep it like it is in the alcohol. It's not rotten. So maybe it's getting a little bit stronger. So, no, I don't have. Okay. Need to rest. Still space? Yeah. Because the chamomile is soaking right now with the alcohol, and it would be waste, see, when you trash it. And it smells good. Do you smell this?
No, I don't.
Ken is behind the camera. Now he's coming. You don't smell it?
Hello, everyone. Oh,
It's chamomile. It's not even the alcohol we have in there.
just a little note. Follow us on Facebook. Okay. We have our schedule there too, where
April.
for April. Okay. I will post it here on YouTube.
So,
And of course, like and subscribe.
and don't trash it. Put it in the yard.
That's where it's going right now.
Right now. So this is now the tincture, and the tincture will be filled up in little 2-ounce bottles, and then I guess in 1 week or 2 weeks we will have it in our product line, because I need to make labels and everything. To chamomile, I think we don't have to say so much, because chamomile is known for, what is it? Effective home remedy for body and soul. So chamomile is soft. It's helping you if you have tummy issue, or the kids have tummy issue. I don't know if you want to give your kids the tincture because it's made with alcohol, but there is a little bit, so it wouldn't harm the kids. But I would prefer giving the kids the tea out of chamomile. And it's also helping if you have a cough or a stuffy nose. You take fresh chamomile and put hot water over it and a towel over your head, and to inhale inhale it, so your sinus infection and everything will be loose and your nose will start running. You can also use it as a cream. Good idea. I don't have the cream made yet, but I can then. So cream is for smoothing your skin and helping you with little bites and cuts and everything. So chamomile is, as I said, it's one herb for a lot of different things. They can help you. They can help you. For the capsules, this is not going into a capsule. We have to, and I have it here, but I did already some. We have to grind the chamomile so you can have the powder. I don't know, should I show it to you? It could be a little loud, right?
Yeah. Let's not do that today. You already have it grinded, but you could show. Yes, we use a professional grinder, and that's how it's set then. But I'm sure you could do it.
Because it's so loud.
Right.
And it's 100% not done, because it was
Right.
just a little bit.
Just to show you.
Yeah, you see, so we have to do it a little bit longer so you get really the powder out of it. But Ken is right. We will not do it here on our show, because otherwise, yeah.
But you could see the steps that way, how it would be done.
And if you don't have, more or less, you will not have a grinder, a professional grinder, you can take the coffee grinder.
There's coffee grinder for coffee beans that you can use.
For a small amount, you can use this as well. I'm not sure if it will be so fine like it is in the commercial grinder, but I think you should definitely be able to make capsule out of it. And the capsule, it's capsule is It's not easy. I don't have a capsule filling machine because this would be investment from over
A lot of money.
$10,000 or such. So we have to sell a lot more because the machines you can buy, you put the capsules in there and the powder in there in the machine. You tell them how many capsules you need and it's done. What I have to do is, I just want to show you that you realize it takes time. The capsules are coming. We see this in the top camera.
Like an A side and a B side.
But one is called the body and the other one is called the top or whatever. So these are the capsules and you can get them separated already. That's one step better because from the beginning on, I bought them in one piece and I had to pull them away from each other. And then there is...
Now these are full organic.
Yeah, they are not organic. They are also, how do you say, they cannot... Some people cannot eat special things. They are no gelatin and approved for the
GMO free.
Yeah, for the people from the East. They cannot have certain, I don't know, certain things.
Well, no, certain things in certain capsules today, people don't, their bodies doesn't take it.
Certified halal, certified kosher, non-GMO, free of allergens. So these are really the capsules. Even if you have a special diet for religion or whatever, you can definitely take these capsules. What? I'm going out of the thing right now. Yeah. Just want to show you. This is yellow. You can, this is then when I make the berberine capsules and boom, everything is yellow. But I just want to show you. So, and I have different machines. So this is just, and that's why everything is yellow. This is just for berberine. Then I have one for magnesium. So I'm not mixing them up because every time you want to clean this out and want to put it in a dishwasher or whatever, the risk is very high that everything is yellow and stays yellow. So what then has to be done, the capsules the big ones has to be 100 in total by hand pulled in there. And there's another, I don't even want to put it out. There's the opposite where you put the little ones and then you put it together. No, and then you put the powder in it, turn it around for the little one, press it together, hope that every capsule is still, because some of the capsules are, I don't know, they are delivered and they are breaking, or we have to find out maybe it's too cold in the winter and we have to put a little bit near to the oven. I don't know, but some of the capsules are really breaking. But
Brittle.
This is the thing behind it. Tincture, you need to wait 6 to 8 weeks until the tincture is ready to use. Tea is easy. You harvest your chamomile and you can start doing a tea, or what I said, when you have the sinus infection or whatever, just put hot water over it. This is then the other step for the capsules. You need to grind them, and then what I showed you in a few seconds was how to make the capsules. You can do that if you have the patience,
and the passion.
and you want to do it. You want to harvest your chamomile, make yourself the tea, or you want to say, I want to make myself some capsules because I don't want to use a tincture. Then you grind it, but it's a lot to do. So it's not like 1, 2, 3, whoops, it's done. Ute has now tinctures and this and this. It takes a while. So that's why if we have an idea or customers come and say, wow, I'm looking for this and this, can you make it? And we say, yes, we can, but it takes a while. It's not that we have everything in our product line. We are hearing sometimes when people, as I said, coming and saying, would you be able to do this and this? Yes, we are, but give us at least for a tincture 2 months until everything is done and it's in the product line. Tea, easy peasy. We can do it within 24 hours. And then the capsules, again, this takes, for 60 capsules, I would say it takes at least 24 hours. If I have the time, because I still work full time, so if I have the time, then it takes 24 hours. So any idea in your mind, you want to know if we can do it? Yes, we can, but please give us the time we need. Okay?
Yeah. And on top of that, if you have a wish that you would like us to make something, let us know. We can make it here for you, in front of you, so you know how it works. Mostly the DIY projects that you could do at home. Yes, this is a big thing at home. It's not like making dinner. Oh, I'll do it in a half an hour. It doesn't work that way. So It's very intensive work. On top of the harvesting, growing, harvesting, planting beforehand. Planting, growing, harvesting, that comes all together.
We just started yesterday because it was such a beautiful day yesterday. It was 1995. We were out in the backyard, in the front yard, in the backyard, and starting with the soil, put fresh soil and everything, what Ken is doing. In the greenhouse, I started with some seedlings for, what did we do? Oh, the tomatoes, because all the herbs and everything we want to put right now. If it's not cold as it is today and windy and the seeds are flying everywhere and my neighbor has my chive or whatever because the wind blows it away. So we are at the moment, the time is starting, we were really, really busy with doing the garden, prepare for the new harvest and then harvesting and all the shows. So it will be busy. So, but that's our choice and we love what we do. So.
And a roundup again, chamomile. I know it from my grandmother, and you all out there know my grandmother's stories, I'm sure by now. But yes, she did exactly the way Uta said. She would take a bowl of hot water, put it on the coal oven or the wooden stove, okay, boil that water, take chamomile, put it in there. We had to then sit at the kitchen table. She put a towel over our heads, and now start breathing through the nose.
It's, as I said, it's one of the herbs. You have so many. One of the herbs like chamomile, we have so many
it's calming effect.
situation it can help you. We are not saying it's healing you because we are no doctors, but it can help you, and it can help you because you can grow it on your own, on your own, and you harvest it. And then I think for us, it's, you know, if you go outside and you harvest your chamomile and you come in and said, look, it's out of my garden, and now I make myself a tea. I grow it. I have it here in my own hand. I think for us, it's always a happiness, a happy feeling.
Yes, no fertilizers, no GMOs, no.
To the store and buying some tea bags, chamomile, and you open it and it's, yeah, okay, what is that?
Bleach tea bags.
We don't want to, no. But as always, and I said already, I'm not, or we are not a doctor. I'm your master herbalist. I will not and I cannot give you any medical advice. This is the experience from us, from our kids, from our grandmother, from our mother, so ages behind of us. So
from our customers.
Yeah, this is what we are sharing with you. As I said, we will never ever give you any medical advice.
Talk to your doctor.
Exactly. If you have any question for your doctor, if you can use chamomile for your tummy or for your sinus infection, go to your doctor, ask him. Don't ask us because we cannot give you any medical advice. We can share, as I said, how it helps ourselves and our customer. They already use it. But especially for you, if you have question, call your doctor.
Other than that?
Yeah. Love and light.
Love and light.
Ken and Ute from Utes-Herbal-Corner. Ciao, ciao.
See you next week.